know. Hello guys! So guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon guys is unboxing tayo ngayon. Ayan. Ito guys, ito yung gift ko sa sa mister ko. Sharut. Yun. Magustuhan kaya niya yung gift ko sa kanya. Ayan. Hindi pa ako naligo guys. Ayan, kanina lang to dumating. Oh my god! Come here. How do you think? You like it?
You like it? You bought me a MacBook Pro?
Look! Oh my god!
This is big, yeah, 16 inches.
I know, look guys.
For blind people. Like me.
Ayan guys, kasi kailangan niya to kasi sa trabaho niya.
Careful now, hey. You can open it now, you have to. Yeah, better open it up. There you go. Whoa.
Oh, this is for you.
First time opening.
Siya ang magano guys.
It's a Virgin MacBook Pro. From the box, look at that. Brand
Oh my
new.
god, it's so nice.
Oh my god, this is a big baby here. Let's see what we got here.
Whoop!
Whoa, this one box. I want this box for
I know.
decoration.
Sabi ko,
Oh, they have the paper here and everything. Yeah, put in your lap. Right there.
ooh! Look at guys, my charger. Oops!
Wow. Charger,
So,
charger.
guys. Oh, ang laki. Kailangan nyo to guys kasi yung trabaho niya, kailangan niya ng big screen. Kaya ito yung binili ko sa kanya.
Don't bump it. Ouch, that hurts. The first bump in your life.
Look here.
Haven't used it yet.
Oh!
Wow, 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 wow. Does it have power already?
I don't know.
Let's
open it.
open it. Let's see. People can see together. Hey, there's a paper. There's a paper
You
spoon.
can use that like that.
Oh, there's a little piece of banana there. Oh, it's an apple.
That's free? No.
The pear, banana.
Whoa, look guys. Ooh.
Booting up for the first time ever.
Wow,
The
that's
history.
big screen.
And this is my my bar. Yeah, that's good. My bar. Ooh, we gotta set everything now. The language. How you spell Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Ano in Tagalog? Ano in English?
Either English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, the turkey. And what do you do to shut your mouth off? Because I don't want to hear you. Honestly.
Oh, wow, this big screen. This 16 inch.
Yeah, 16 inches. I wanted 16 inches because I want a big.
You like it?
Yeah. Otherwise I go blind. Here, we're gonna do that one. Ooh, I need the password for the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
The ugly password.
Wow, look guys. Ang ganda. Mas malaki to guys kaysa yung sa akin. Ayan. Ito sa akin, yung maliit na
Compare that with that one. How small.
I know.
Look at the difference. Wow, look at that. Big difference. Big difference.
We are the same color, gray.
No, silver.
Oh, silver.
I don't like the gray color. I hate the gray
Ayun.
color.
Ayun, kaya guys, kaya binili ko to kasi kailangan niya ng big screen. Ayun. Kanina to, akala ko last month of December dadating ito. Tapos kanina dumating, may nagkatog dito sa labas. Ayan, dumating na pala to. Ang bilis lang guys. Mga 1 week lang niya. O 1 week. Ayan, may charger din siya. Ayan. Marami na charger ng Apple. Ayan siya. Ayan guys, busy siya. Busy siya sa paglalagay ng password. Look the man.
My new
Look.
toy.
He's happy now
My new
because we have a
toy.
big screen.
Big flat toy. Look at that, how big the mouse pad is. Gigantic. That's my finger. That's a freaking hand. That's my feet.
I know.
It's connecting. Let's see what the internet says. Connect or not to connect?
Connect or not to connect?
Yeah, the one is 5G and the other one is 2G, 2.4G.
Oh. Okay.
So I use the 5G. Which is 5G is faster but shorter distance, right? And 2.4 is a little bit slower but it goes longer range, longer distance. Data and privacy. You want
Ayan
some-
guys, na siya, nagsasign sa sign in siya. Kailangan kasi lagay ng yung mga information. So, ayun, are you happy? Are you happy for that?
Yes. Let me try my my Apple ID.
Look.
Martino, say I 1 2 3 Gmail. Oh man.
Look.
Don't look at my password.
So, ayan.
Close your eyes.
I know your password.
But I don't want the whole world to know my
I
password.
know.
Hello.
So guys, ayan, busy na siya sa pag sa pag-sign in ng niya. Ayun. So, ayan, yun lang guys. Ayan, yun lang namin ngayon. So, ngayon na gabi na dito, is 10 PM in the evening.
Yeah, the one my other machine, my iPhone. Which one is the iPhone? What is the iPhone?
The small one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here.
See, you gotta go there. You gotta text message code. See, give me my name right there.
Look like it.
Give me the code.
Stop.
Yeah, well, I'll have to do my.
Ayun guys. Ayan guys, ayan lang po yung namin ngayon. So, ayan, nag-enjoy siya sa bagong laruan niya. Ayan, that is my gift for the Christmas. Ayan, binili namin yan, cash kasi if we buy the used one, it's like, same price.
Almost the same price.
Yeah, almost the same price guys. Kaya bumili lang kami ng brand new. Kasi pareho lang yung price sa yung used na. So ito na yung bago kasi bago naman 'di ba? Tas same price lang. Hindi maganda na to. Ayan,
This
so
one is 64.
so yun. Bye-bye.
I think you'll
See you to my next vlog. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Ooh.